Yo, good evening, sir. Now, I explain how can you define a simple root in Laravel and what would be a real-life example. In Laravel, you can define roots in the routes slash web.php file for web. Roots or routes slash API.php for API routes. Simply root typically involves specifying the HTTP method, the URL and the closure or controller action to execute when that route is accessed. In real life example is consider a simple blog application, specific blog path based on its ID, like accessing to see the first post. And now, how to name routes work in Laravel and how might it use them in a real world application. Name route in Laravel allow you to assign a name to a route, making it easier to reference the route in your code, especially when generating URLs or redirects. Instead of hard coding URLs, you can use the route's name, which provides flexibility and maintainability. In real-world application, you might use name routes to generate URLs in Blade templates, redirect users after form submissions, manage URLs with parameters, ensuring centralized route management and easier dates. And what is the purpose of route groups in Laravel and how might they be used? Root groups in Laravel serve to apply common attributes like middleware namespace or prefix to multiple roots, simultaneously reducing code application and improving organization. For example, you might use a root group to apply authentication middleware to all routes within an admin panel or to prefix all API routes with slash API, streaming route management and enhancing code reliability. Uh, how does middleware work in Laravel and can you provide a particular example? Middleware in Laravel acts as a filter for HTTP requests entering your application, sitting between the client and server to inspect, modify, or redirect requests. It allows you to perform tasks such as authentication, flagging, or modifying request headers before the request reaches your application. A practical example is an authentication middleware that checks if a user is logged in. If not, it redirects them to the login page. Otherwise, the request proceeds. And lastly, how can you handle form submission and CSRF protection in Laravel? In Laravel, form submission are handled by defining routes that point to controller methods where you can access form data via the request object and process it. Protection is automatically provided by Laravel using a hidden by the at CSRF blade directive. Laravel's verify CSRF token middleware then validates this token to ensure requests originate from your application, preventing malicious exploits.